Hey everyone, this is Steve Fulgoni and I'm here in the shop in the Woodturning store. And in this short video I'm going to show you how to use one of the Axminster faceplate rings. In this particular case it's the faceplate ring for the C dovetail jaw. And I will bolt it in, screw it in, and then show you how quickly it mounts up here into the C jaws. Okay. Alright, so this is the Axminster SK114 outfitted with C-type jaws, and in this case this is a faceplate ring specifically designed for the Axminster C-jaw system. And what it's going to do is essentially eliminate the need for a faceplate. So I've taken this small bowl blank, I've marked a center hole here, and I will just drop that faceplate ring over the center. All I need to do is eyeball it. My preferred method of using screws, whether it is an actual faceplate or the SK114 chuck with the C-jaws, is to use number 12 stainless square drive screw, and I use it with my cordless impact drill. The fit of the square drive into the socket of this screw is really good, and I love the way the impact driver makes quick work of it. So here we go. All right, this mahogany was pretty tough, kiln dried. But we're all set, 6 screws. Now I'll head over here. I'll take my chuck. You can see my jaws are closed. I'll take the faceplate ring, insert it over the closed C-jaws, and now I'm going to expand the chuck jaws into the faceplate ring. Turn the speed down, and that is now ready to turn. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Again, that was the Axminster C-type faceplate ring on the C-type jaws. This is Steve again from the shop at the Woodturning store. See you on the next one.